Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at your first warm-up question for today's Class Connect. It is a multi-digit multiplication problem. So let me grab my tools here and we'll get started. So we want to start with the bottom ones place or the bottom smallest value place. So this one here happens to be the ones place. So I'm going to take my 5 and I'm going to multiply it times each digit in the top number. So 5 times 4 is 20, carry my 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus that 2 is 17, carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5, and then add my 1 I carried is 6. I'm going to mark that off. Okay. So now I want to go to my next digit, which is a 2 in my bottom number. And that 2 is actually the value of 20. So I'm going to fill in a placeholder to make that actually 20 and not just the number 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And then I'm going to add these two partial products together. And I'm going to get 0, 7, and 8 is 15. Carry my 1. 6 and 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry my 1. 2 and 1 is 3. Put in my comma. 3,350. Make sure you're showing this work. If you need to do this on in your notebook or on paper pencil, you can load up a picture of your work by clicking on this button right here, okay, by adding the image so that we can see your work. We want to see all of your work.